The first phase of vacation prep is research and planning, which sets the stage for a smooth and fun trip. Start with destination research. Check out the weather, local culture, and top attractions. This helps you pack right, respect local customs, and make the most of your experience. Make sure your passport, visa, and other travel documents are up to date to avoid any last-minute problems. Booking accommodations early ensures you get your preferred lodging, whether it's a hotel or a vacation rental. The same goes for flights and transportation. Early booking often means better deals. Finally, put together a flexible itinerary, so you have a plan but can still leave room for spontaneous adventures. This careful research and planning set the foundation for a memorable vacation. Next up is packing essentials, a key part of getting ready. Pack clothes based on the weather and your planned activities, whether that's swimwear for beach days, activewear for hiking, or formal outfits for special occasions. Don't forget toiletries and health items, things like shampoo, toothpaste, and any medications you need. Always bring both printed and digital copies of your travel documents, just in case. Tech gear, like your phone, chargers, adapters, and a camera, keeps you connected and ready to capture memories. And of course, pack some easy-to-carry snacks and a reusable water bottle to stay refreshed on the go. Thoughtful packing ensures you're prepared and can travel with ease. Financial and legal preparedness is another crucial part of your vacation prep. First, let your bank and credit card company know your travel plans to prevent your cards from getting blocked due to unusual activity. It's also smart to have some local currency for immediate expenses like tips or small purchases when you arrive. Travel insurance is a must, covering everything from medical emergencies to lost baggage. Review your policy to make sure you're protected. Lastly, keep a list of emergency contacts, including family, your country's embassy, and your travel agent. With these financial and legal measures in place, you can travel with peace of mind, knowing you're covered for any surprises. Before heading out on your vacation, it's important to ensure your home is secure and well prepared. Start by locking all doors and windows, as this is the first line of defense against potential break-ins. For added peace of mind, consider activating a home security system or using smart locks that allow you to monitor and control access remotely. If you have pets, make sure they are taken care of by arranging a pet sitter or booking them into a trusted boarding facility where they'll be safe and comfortable in your absence. Similarly, ask a neighbor or friend to water your plants and tend to any other small tasks, ensuring your home stays in good condition while you're away. To reduce energy consumption and minimize any risks, unplug any appliances or electronics that won't be in use, such as televisions, coffee makers, and computers. Lastly, avoid a cluttered mailbox by either placing a hold on your mail with the postal service or asking a neighbor to collect it, preventing any signs that your home is unoccupied. By taking these simple yet effective steps, you can leave for your vacation knowing that your home is secure, allowing you to fully enjoy your time away without unnecessary concerns. Health and safety measures should always be a top priority before traveling. If you're going internationally, make sure you get the necessary vaccinations ahead of time. Some vaccines require multiple doses, so plan accordingly. Bring a small first aid kit with Band-Aids, pain relievers, antiseptic wipes, and any personal medications. And in today's world, staying updated on COVID-19 travel requirements is essential. Check for mask mandates, vaccination rules, or quarantine measures. By taking these steps, you'll be well prepared to stay healthy and safe throughout your trip. Communication is key in the lead up to your vacation. Share your itinerary and contact details with a trusted friend or family member so they can reach you in case of an emergency. Let your employer and colleagues know when you'll be away and set up an out-of-office email response to manage work expectations. If you're traveling with others, make sure everyone is on the same page when it comes to schedules and responsibilities. This way, your vacation runs smoothly and you can relax knowing everything's in order. Finally, there are a few miscellaneous preparations that can make your trip even better. Downloading useful travel apps, maps, translation tools, and ride-sharing services can make getting around easier. Bring entertainment for long flights or downtime, like books, music, or podcasts. And don't forget a travel pillow and blanket for added comfort on long journeys. These little extras can make a big difference, helping you enjoy every aspect of your trip. By following these steps, you'll be fully prepared and ready to make the most of your vacation. If you're planning to travel to places like Manitou Beach, Calgary, Saskatoon, or beyond, Prowess Property has you covered. We offer beautiful properties across Canada and Florida to meet all your accommodation needs. Visit our Airbnb page to check out our available listings, or send us a message on our Facebook page at Prowess Property.